Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Aisha.
Ma'am, can we cure it? I mean, after surgery or any procedure, will it come again? Or if those kind of patient can go for IVF, is there any success rate for them, or how it works?
That's a very good question, Aisha. So, if endometriosis is there, having a natural pregnancy might be difficult. If it is in the early stages, yes, they might. But if it is later stages, it might be very difficult. Surgery it is indicated when the patient wants to go for IVF, because even for IVF patients, if the endometriosis is severe, then the success rate is very low. So, it's better to go for surgery to get the endometrioma or the endometrial tissue endometriotic tissue removed, clear the adhesions, and then go for the procedure. Also, the recurrence rate is about 20 to 40% in first 2 to 5 years of time. So it's always advised to plan pregnancy as soon as possible after the surgery. Surgery is indicated when the pain factor is too much, or if the endometrioma is more than 4 centimeters in size, and also in IVF.
Thank you, ma'am. That was so informative.